My name is Corey Hamilton. I am the lead mechanic and owner.
My name's Danny. I have lots of roles. I wear all the hats, except the mechanic hat.
My name's John. I'm one of the first faces you see when you walk through the door. Work on bikes, make coffees. I do a little bit of everything here.
I remember at 18 saying I wanted to be a motorcycle mechanic. I love having my hands in a problem and solving them. It's often said there's an indescribable feeling about being on two wheels.
I remember sitting on the tank with my dad and my uncle teaching me how to ride a motorcycle. Legs couldn't touch anything, just ripping through the trails.
Wanting this place to be bigger than our business is something that we're really striving for, to be a bigger part of the community, to be able to do good to charities, to be able to bring people together and be bigger than just the fact that we work on bikes.
I want it to succeed. I want to be a part of our community, and I want all of those things. I really believe that we can do that together.
So the whole motto of the shop itself was based off the cafe racing, which is like you literally race from cafe to cafe, stop, have a coffee. But we wanted to create this place where people can come and get their bikes worked on, have a coffee while they wait, but also meet up.
Motorpickle really is in it for you. And it doesn't really matter to us if your bike is made in the 80s or if it was made in 2024. We're in it for all of those people. And I think that's the difference between us and everyone.
Significance of the pickle.
What did John tell you?
I don't even know anymore. I really don't know. I'd like to, but I don't get it.
The truth of the matter is that if you Google Arlo Guthrie and that phrase, the significance of the pickle, you will arrive at a YouTube video of the infamous Arlo Guthrie performing his song, the motorcycle song. He will tell you this crazy story about careening down the side of a mountain.
Falling 500 feet down straight off the side of a mountain onto a policeman.
He lands on a police car, and then all of a sudden this guy is holding a giant pickle.
In a pickle, we'll fix it.
Yeah, it kind of has like a little bit of a goofiness to it. We all grew up listening to that song. I don't want a pickle, I just want to ride my motorcycle. And I don't want to die, I just want to ride on my motorcycle. Cram the two together and you got Motorpickle.
People give us gifts of pickle things shaped like pickles, things that look like pickles, actual pickles. One customer brought us a jar of pickles that his mom made. Now it's like taken on this life of its own.
That whole vibe of the song, I think, encompasses what we're doing here. While we're a serious motorcycle shop, we want it to be light and fun and comical and people to come in here and feel at home. It's never fun having to get your bike fixed, but we're trying our best to make it fun.